Do you know my first procession, Herald?
No.
Okay, so let me set the stage here so you can appreciate this and she will put all the pieces together. We're a newly made principality,
Okay.
so we answer to a territorial prince and princess.
Yes.
Which, historically speaking, that would be like a second-born son and his wife, or second-born daughter and her husband. Our current prince and princess are Romanius and Diana, who, in their own right, were the past crowns of Astiora. I was asked directly by Deanna, unprompted, to herald her into her laurelling.
She's so delightful too.
And that video, by the way, I will link to that video now that I've said that. But that someone, I believe it was her mother, got a video of me processing her in.
Oh, that's delightful.
I homeworked the hell out of that. Like, literally, she asked me like 3 months ahead of time. I was on the phone with Etienne that night, picking his brains. I talked to 4 heralds. I actually found, you know, all the world's raptor books?
Yeah.
Okay. One of the metaphors I wanted to make was, originally I wanted to say with the dignity of a lion, but Ansura has lions as a rank, so I didn't want to say that. And I'm like, okay, well, what animal can I use? And it dawned on me, what are native animals to late period Italy? So I actually spent 2 days with a world's, Jackson's or whatever, world's raptor book, going through the Italian index to figure out what animal, what raptors live there. And if you listen to the presentation, it's with the beauty or the dignity of an eagle, because of the Brunelli eagle.
We're gonna make an armorial herald of you yet.
No! Keep your distance. I subcontract. You know the old joke, vengeance is mine, saith the Lord, but he subcontracts?
Yeah.
Yeah, I subcontract on that stuff.
This is true.